Okay. 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 Oh fuck! I got a rocket chicken. I can't deal. Oh my god. Rocket chicken. Holy shit. Look at him! He got fuck. Oh my days. Oh my days. Come in, little rocket chicken. Holy shit. Holy shit, man. He's got fucking... What level is he? He's level 1, obviously, at the moment, isn't he? We need to... I can't even... Does he have any cool emotes that he does after all? We're gonna watch this guy gloriously for the minute and see if he does anything. I don't know if he does. I don't know. Does anyone know if he has a fucking thing he does? Or does he just chill? He bobs his head. He's got some swagger on him, though. I think he just chills. Yeah, I think he just chills. Oh, no, he doesn't! Oh, my God. Oh! Craig, tell me you're watching stream.
I am.
Oh, my God. Where'd he go? Does he come back? Or is that it? Do I have to resummon him now? What? Summon? And he's back. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Whew, this is all too much. Let's go fucking rocket chicken. Holy shit. I'm going back into ice cream. Mert. Ah. Damn, man.